Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some colors. White, red, blue, green,
yellow, black.
Okay, let's start some drawing. This is black color. Let's start to draw some shapes. Heart, circle, pentagon,
Triangle, star.
let's start to color it. Pink,
Sunshine, yellow,
HEART, heart, RECTANGLE, rectangle, CIRCLE, circle, PENTAGONE, pentagon, TRIANGLE, triangle, STAR, star. Okay, bye. Heart, rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, star.